Howdy, everybody. I have found, well, I didn't find it, obviously. It's somebody's been here before because there's always human sign. But there's a little key off the coast of our park that we're in, Sunshine Key, and it is pretty much your private little island. It's kind of sweet, so I thought I would give you all a tour, and you, Stacy, I'll let you see it so that you can see where I'm going to be if I do an overnight on this thing, because I don't know, I'm intrigued with camping out on an island. I don't see too much evidence of wildlife on this island other than birds and plants, but let's take a look around and see what we can see here. Alright, well, this is the view off the back of the island, looking away from the highway until you get to there. That 7 Mile Bridge way off in the distance. Beautiful little shallow lagoons around here. You could walk if you didn't have a kayak. I got here on my kayak. Hopefully y'all can hear me in this wind. But if you didn't have a kayak, there's the cell tower. You could walk from the mainland pretty much right there. So it's not super hard to get to. I don't know the name of this little key. It doesn't have a name on the map. But it looks like the tide comes up to about here where all these weeds are at some points. Coral, shells, green coral. Yeah, little tide pools. Built like an old coral reef. Here's some cool pieces, as all these keys are. They're all from coral reefs. Here's some cool pieces of coral. So let's see what's over on this side of the island. Neat. Oh yeah, this looks like it gets totally over underwater during the tide. And this is definitely hard rock, coral reef material underneath my feet. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. It's windy in mid-80s today. Nothing too crazy. I'll show you the spot where I would set up my tent if I were going to tent here overnight. And I might do that, because I can even radio Stacy from here if my cell phone doesn't work right. Even though you can see the cell tower, the service around here is a little weird, especially under the concrete bridges over there. I guess that's to be expected. Let's see, I'm gonna go through here. I'm basically going around the circumference of the island here. I'm gonna go up through these weeds. I'm sure there's crabs in here, but you can kind of see a walking trail where people have explored this island. Here's some kind of a driftwood structure somebody built out of some old crab traps and miscellaneous crud that washes up. There's a rope hanging out of the tree. I guess somebody wanted to hang something up there. But yeah, people come out here and explore this island. Over there in the distance is Bahia Honda State Park, all out in that direction, and there's a real nice reef there. But I bet there's even cooler reef stuff to look at around this island, which I fully intend to bring on my snorkel if I come here again. Last time I came by this island a few days ago, I pulled up and I was going to do the same thing, explore around and there was two naked people staring at me through the trees here, right in front of me, because I came from that direction where you see the bridge, and paddled up here. So I just went around the island and checked it out, and they were just butt naked, hanging out. They had a little campfire down here, plenty of driftwood and stuff here if you wanted to have a campfire. But it was evening time. They watched the sunset from out here, which is pretty amazing. And I guess they left, because I don't see any sign that they were here except for their little fire pit over here. So anyways, oh, there's a pipe that washed up. Yeah, I just don't like seeing all that stuff, but who's gonna clean up all this stuff? There's an old lobster trap, pieces of one, driftwood, tons of driftwood from dead mangroves and stuff, so plenty of firewood out here to get by for a little while. Boat parked out there in the harbor. But yeah, this is a little private island, and I think I'm going to try to do an overnight on it. Stacy, to see how cool it is. Here we go, Stacy. There's where I beached my kayak, and we've got a little beach here. In fact, Stacy, you and I could come out here and just hang out for the day. Bring our chairs, picnic lunch, hang out on our own private island. Not half a mile from our main park where our house is. All right, well, that's the end of this. I think I don't have much more to show you. That's it. That's the whole island.